insecure about your accent? Ever get tired of people asking where you're from? Especially if you're in the UK. Or maybe you're trying to switch from an American accent to the British one. Whether you want to sound more British or just want to speak English like a native, this video is for you. Welcome to English with Hurrem. This is where I teach natural everyday English, British culture and etiquette, pronunciation tips for a British accent. Today, I'll teach you 2 essential vowel sounds that can instantly make your accent sound more British. And don't skip the ending. I've got a special word of the week for you. It's an advanced word you can add to your daily vocabulary. Let's get started. First sound, the long E. This is that smooth, stretched out E sound like in easy. And T. What do people do? Many people say too fast. It's easier at the end of the words, like in knee, tree, but trickier in the middle, green. Quick tip, smile when you say it. Your mouth should move upward, just like a happy smile. Let's look at some examples. Team. If rushed, it sounds like Tim. Need. If too short, it sounds like Ned. Beat. If said fast, it may sound like bit. Got to be careful with this one. Meal. If shortened, it sounds like mill. Practice sentence. We need a team to meet by the green beach at 3. We need a team to meet by the green beach at 3. Take your time with the long E sound. It helps your accent sound clearer and more natural. Second sound, the open A. You know, when you see something cute and go, "Oh," that's the sound. It shows up in words like star, far, car, start, arm, art, fast, raft, laugh. This sound gives a British accent that smooth musical flow by balancing short and long sounds. Let's look at some examples. Class. Said like class, not class. Bath. Not bathe, but bath. March. If you say too flat, it loses the charm. Laugh. A longer sound makes it clearer. Hot. Not harsh, but soft and open. Alright, let's look at a practice sentence for this vowel sound. After a calm laugh in art class, we marched to the park. After a calm laugh in the art class, we marched to the park. Alright, lovely people, time for the word of the week. It's indulge, meaning to treat yourself to something you enjoy or find special. On weekends, I indulge in a quiet walk with my favorite audiobook. Or sometimes I just indulge in doing absolutely nothing, which we all of us enjoy, right? Your turn. can you use this word in your sentences? Drop your answers in the comments below. I love to read them. That's a wrap. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, at the end of every video, I'll share one advanced vocabulary word. So stick around for those if you're serious about sounding more fluent. See you next time. Bye.